Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, welcome back to the #1 jewelry review channel on YouTube. As far as I know, I haven't done any research. We might even just be the only ones, so there's not much competition. I appreciate you guys so much though. And today marks actually 5 or 6, lost count. Let's get on research videos in a row where we've been monetized. Brand, why aren't you getting monetized? You seem like a pretty straight up dude. Thank you so much. It's because my past on YouTube has really affected me. I have been not good. Now I'm being good for once in my life. So for that, I'm paying the price, and the only reason we're actually getting monetized is because you guys keep liking and commenting down below on every video. Engagement matters, man. So please keep doing that. Appreciate you guys so much. Let's grow to be even bigger. Although we are the #1 jewelry review channel on YouTube already, we can double that. Whatever, I don't know. Also, man, real quick, if you guys haven't checked out our website, NameBranFam.com, I try to hook you guys up for a real good price. Bram, what do you sell on there? Jewelry, just like this, boys. This stuff's real. I want to hook you up for the best price, so obviously it's not going to be real, but we have a new tennis chain on there, which is actually selling out real fast. We've got this dope bracelet we just put on there, selling out real fast. Act quick, boys. And here's a catch. It's all free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. And a little secret we don't tell you guys on the website is you can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping at checkout. So don't just add 1 thing, even though I'd make more money. Add 2 things. That's the way you want to do it. I want you guys to be happy. 2 free things, pay shipping, you're good. There's a great amount of stuff on there, boys. It's a real dandy time on shopping NameBranFam.com. Once again, link down below at the bottom of the description. Now let's get real. I know what everyone's thinking right now, man. NameBran. Why is NameBranFam.com linked at the bottom of the description and not the top? Well, boys, because we just got hooked up by my boy. This isn't sponsored at all. He just sends me things randomly sometimes. He owns a sick jewelry store called North Jewelry, I think in Toronto, which is sick. Canada, let's go. So I'm gonna be linking him at the very top, showing appreciation. My boy just sent us a package. I got no idea what's in it. It's always a very lovely time getting a package from him, because last time, if you guys didn't check, he actually sent us this really cool, this is a silver rope chain right here. He sent that, and he also sent us a gold rope chain last video. He actually got our chains up, you know what I mean? As you guys know, we got our setup, that's what I call it. We got the NameBran ring, think it's real sick. We got these 2 rings right here, one of them sick, the other one's garbage, and then we got this watch right here. Was sick, now I'm sick of it, so I want to get a new one. Nonetheless, we got a setup, and he also hooked us up with these, and we also got our gold teeth. Very dope. He helped us get some stuff for this setup, and it sounds like we're getting some more stuff. Now, all I do know when he sent me this package for a video, thank you, buddy. He literally just sends it for free. It's not like a sponsorship thing. It's like, let's just work together. This is awesome. Give me content and I'll shout you out for sure. Anyway, what I know that's in it is chain. So let's get into it, man. I've been telling you guys, we're trying to do real jewelry unboxings more and more. Obviously, we do fake jewelry unboxings because we want to call out these websites that say their fake jewelry is real, or these websites that say their fake jewelry is really good, but it's not. Why do we call them out? Because I love it. I'm just kidding, it's not that. But it's definitely entertaining, catching people on their lies, and sometimes we find some really good stuff. Nonetheless, we got real jewelry today. It's been a full week of real jewelry videos, boys. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've been really trying hard. We're trying to progress this reviewing channel of dope rapper stuff to being better. Next time we will unbox a dope. Every so often, I give you guys a little goal of likes for a video because likes are awesome. I need that to grow. That's like shows, you know this, whatever. Last video, I gave you the goal of 7,000 likes. If we got that in 24 hours, I would buy you guys a tooth grill like this. We didn't get it, so I'm gonna do something new today. I want you guys to get something, you know what I mean? We're gonna make it real easy. 4,000 thumbs up down below in the first 24 hours. Comment too, my Instagram's right here, you know, do that. I'm gonna hit up my boy over at North Jewelry and see if we can send one of you guys a piece. If he says no, then I will just pay for it. So either way, somebody will be getting it if we can get 4,000 thumbs up in 24 hours. Now let's get into this. I'm very stoked. I've been wearing this a lot, always. Now I'm ready for a new option. I'm so excited, man. I love getting packages from this guy. Oh, there's 2 things again. Why did you do this? I don't deserve it. Boys, we're looking at 2 chains, I guess, or 1 chain at least. Boom, boom, let's go. Packaging is always dope. I mean, it's cool if you have a nice box, but we don't care about the box. Let's get real. First one. This one's bigger. This one's a lot bigger than this. I'm gonna tell you that for free. Oh my god. Let's go. So this one's silver. Can already tell right off the bat, this guy only sells the real stuff. Go check him out. And I'm gonna tell you right now, his prices are like, it's almost too good to be true. Like, I've been on the website before. It's almost too good to be true, but it's, oh my. No! No, 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 no. No, no, no. Why do I not have my diamond tester? This has diamonds, bro. I doubt these are real. Not anything against him, but he did share with me the price of what he was sending me. And I don't have my diamond tester. RIP to that. You guys remember my $500 diamond tester broke, but it actually comes in tomorrow. So we're gonna do a whole separate, sorry, I can't talk. A whole separate video on diamond testing my new pieces. We haven't diamond tested yet. Oh man. Nonetheless, the quality. 925, yep, so 925 silver. This is heavy, bro. I don't know what this is called. It's not a Cuban link. I should know, because I call myself a jewelry reviewer, but I'm also very honest with telling you guys. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I just review things. We got the diamond. Whether it's real or not, it's really dope. And then right there, all along it, the diamonds. Now, I'm gonna say it right now. I think these are for sure not real, but very, very sick. We're gonna test next video once this comes out. I swear, once I'm shaking. Once my diamond tester comes in, we will check it. There's the first one right there, boys. That's a lot of silver. Oh, easily triple the weight of my ring. This is crazy. Real sick. Actually, I'm just gonna, oh man, I am so stoked. I've been wanting to wear new pieces and these guys just kill it. Let's try her on. Actually, I wanna talk about the clasp real quick. This is the clasp I like. I always break clasps. These are the ones that are real safe, where it locks it in double. You know, I like that. That's what I'm trying to say right now. I like that. Especially when a girl gets mad at you and tries to rip your necklace off you. It's happened a few times. Wow. Boys, that's how that one looks. Oh, that's sweet. Let's get into the other one. Boy, man, no, I guess you're a man, probably. North Jewelry, you, thank you. Buddy, thank you so much. It's great to have a good friend like this. This is awesome. I'd call us best friends by now. Next up, let's get into the other one. No! I don't deserve it. I'm so stoked. Now, with the price that he told me, if they're both, I don't know if he wants me to share the price. I guess you guys could figure it out yourselves if you wanted to. Yeah, so this is 925. I guess gold plated, nonetheless, still silver, which is great. It's not just your classic fake jewelry of stainless steel plated gold. This is real silver. I'm sorry, I keep cutting myself off. I'm very excited. And it's got the diamond thing on it too. Wild. I knew that it wasn't gonna be real gold, the pricing, because this is heavy as hell too, man. This might even be heavier. Is this one thicker? I don't even know. Doesn't matter. Boys, same sort of style, same silver, gold plated. This is wild. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'll throw this one on too. I've been trying, like I said earlier, boys, sorry if I keep repeating myself, but I've been trying to just put out these real videos, because I know the fake stuff gets a little annoying after a while. Oh, yes! I wouldn't wear both together. I don't know. The thing I like about the gold and silver option is if I'm wearing, like, I don't know, a white shirt, I'll probably put on gold. If I'm wearing a black shirt, I'll probably put on the silver. It just kind of goes with your fit, however you're feeling it. With this shirt right here, I'd probably do that one or the gold. I don't know. They both look really sick. Anyway, man, that's our new pickup today. Go check them out down below if you wish. Also, I'm just seeing the insignia right there. Quite a sick logo. But we don't care about that. We only care what's inside the box. That's our motto here. Appreciate you guys so much for watching. Real short video. We are going to go in depth with diamond testing these for sure. Diamond testing my teeth, diamond testing my earrings, everything that we haven't diamond tested so far on my setup. Next video once I get my diamond tester in. Oh man, yeah, this is dope. I like the real jewelry reviews. We're getting there, boys. We just got to get our money up a little bit more. But NameBranFam.com is really helping. So that's also at the bottom of the description. Go check it out, boys. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all are the goats. You let me know what one's your favorite. And also let me know, do you mind if it's actual silver, so it's a real chain, and it's dipped in gold, or do you not rock that? Because of that, I'm actually really curious. I'm kind of having a thing in my mind of like, do I care or not? Or do you just rather the, like, obviously we all rather the real, but would you take the little bit of savings and get this one is what I'm saying, or would you just rock the straight up silver? That's actually a question I'm really contemplating right now. Do I want to? I will rock it regardless, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but do I care? I don't know. I'm not sure. right now, I don't care at all. Appreciate y'all for watching. Marking the game greatest of all time. Y'all the goats, man. NameBran fans, real strong. Blah. Yeah.